In this video, I'm going to be installing a Maxton design racing durability splitter for MK7 GTIs on my Golf Sportwagen. Hello and hopefully welcome back to the Dad Wagon channel. If you have been following along with this build, you know the wagon has recently become a lowboy, and with that change I wanted to beef up the front end a little bit with a splitter. When starting my research of which one to choose and looking at all my options out there, I did know that I wanted a true splitter and not just a front lip. I wanted something that was securely mounted to the front bumper, and it was just the look that I was after for this car. And when it came to being securely fastened to the front bumper, I was looking for something that had the internal support similar to what you'd find on a Aerofab splitter. Now, if you're watching this video and you're a little confused because in the intro and in the title I talk about installing a GTI splitter and I have a Golf Sportwagen, that is correct. I did a front end or front bumper conversion to the MK7 GTI front bumper on this car. So if you're watching this and you have a GTI, this will totally apply to you. And if you're one of my all-track or Sportwagen buddies, this one may not be as crucial for you to watch all the way through. Now I will say, because I did the front end conversion kit on this car to the GTI front, it did open up the door to a lot of other splitter and lip options than you would typically have for a wagon or all-track. So in my search I ended up finding and landing on this Maxton design racing durability splitter because it met all of my requirements. One, I really liked the way it looked. Two, apparently it's extremely durable according to this video from Maxton themselves. 3, it was slightly more affordable than the Aerofab splitter, which was a very, very close second. And 4, what really put me over the edge is that there wasn't any other content about this piece on YouTube just yet. So that's more of a personal reason, but I was excited to be able to provide some new content that really wasn't saturated on YouTube just yet. I ordered the splitter and just a couple days later it arrived at my door, and overall the packaging was pretty good, but not the best. I have seen some of the Aerofab pieces unboxed on YouTube and those are packaged way nicer, but once I got all the packaging off, there was no damage to the pieces at all. Initial impressions were that the chamfered edge on this thing is really nice and overall the aesthetics look great of it. Construction also seemed pretty good. One thing to know about this splitter is that after unboxing and getting the hardware out of there, there were no installation instructions included. And although splitters are not that difficult to install, installation instructions should definitely be included with a part like this. I emailed Maxton Designs later that day and they promptly got back to me, but told me that installation instructions do not exist for that part just yet. So that being said, I guess this video will be the installation instructions for right now, and let's hope I did it right. Let's get into it. hopefully that quick video gives you a few more pointers than I had to get this installed on your MK7 GTI. Now let's take a look at how it all came together. I'll make this summary quick because this isn't a complicated product. Overall, the construction of the splitter was really great. The fit and fitment was also very good. I do think that internal brace could either be made out of a better material or a higher quality one, and could be a little bit more precision made, but it does the job it's there and supposed to do. If this video was helpful to you and you like the type of content that you're seeing here, don't forget to like or give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe because I have a bunch of more videos coming out very soon that I can't wait to share with all of you. Thanks for watching.